If you're searching for affordable wireless earbuds that balance sound quality, comfort, and battery life, the Sanag Z60S deserves a closer look. Priced under $50, these earbuds aim to deliver a premium experience without the hefty price tag. But do they actually succeed? Let's dive into the details. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. The unboxing experience of the Sanag Z60S sets the tone for what's to come. A well-considered balance of form and function. Sliding open the minimalist packaging reveals the star attraction nestled securely in their charging case, which immediately stands out for its thoughtful design. The case itself strikes an ideal compromise between durability and portability, with a pleasantly textured matte exterior that resists fingerprints while feeling substantial in hand. Inside, the contents are refreshingly straightforward. A modern USB-C charging cable sits alongside a no-nonsense user manual, eliminating any setup frustrations. The earbuds make their first impression with a sporty, low-profile silhouette that combines ergonomic U-shaped design with secure 5-point fit for all-day comfort, suggesting these were designed with active users in mind. There's an immediate sense that these aren't just another pair of disposable budget earbuds, but rather a carefully engineered audio solution for those who value both performance and practicality in their daily routine. The Sanag Z60S redefines what comfort means in budget wireless earbuds, delivering an almost imperceptible wearing experience that disappears into your ears. At a feather-light 4 grams per bud, they achieve that rare balance of secure fit and weightless comfort that allows for hours of uninterrupted listening without the dreaded ear fatigue. Their sweat-resistant IPX4 construction transforms them into reliable workout partners, shrugging off intense gym sessions or unexpected rain showers with equal ease. The open-ear design does come with an acoustic trade-off. While it maintains situational awareness during outdoor activities, it also means urban commuters might find themselves competing with ambient noise. Touch controls perform adequately for basic functions, though occasional double taps are needed to register commands, requiring a slight learning curve to master the optimal pressure and placement. This minor quirk aside, the Z60S demonstrates how thoughtful ergonomic design can elevate even the most affordable audio gear into something you'll actually want to wear all day. When it comes to sound, the Z60S punches above its weight. The 12mm composite diaphragm delivers well-balanced audio with decent bass that doesn't overpower the mids and highs. And with my experience, I'm surprised with the audio quality. It's really good. It passed to my standard. Vocals, instruments, and podcasts come through clearly, though audiophiles might find the highs slightly restrained. Compared to pricier alternatives like the Huawei FreeClip, the Z60S matches the sound quality with balanced depth at higher volumes. And thanks to companion apps, 6 EQ presets including rock, pop, and gaming modes help tailor the sound to your preferences. Call quality is another pleasant surprise, with AI call noise cancellation and wind-resistant built-in mics do a respectable job filtering background noise, ensuring your voice stays crisp during conversations. Now let's put it in action.
Hello, sound check, mic test. So guys, this is the microphone test of the Sanag Z60S. Again, I'm here in my balcony, and down there's so many noise of cars. If you're gonna hear it, maybe not. And also there is some wind, of course, the background noises. So what do you think, guys? Let me know the microphone of this Z60S in the comments below.
Battery life is where the Z60S truly stands out. With 7 hours of playback on a single charge and an additional 43 hours from the case, you're looking at a total of 50 hours of use. A rare feat for budget earbuds, with instant Bluetooth 7.0 pairing, ensures a seamless and stable connection within a 10-meter range, with a lag-free streaming for uninterrupted binge watching, and with fast charging that provides an hour of playback after just 10 minutes in the case. So, is the Sanag Z60S worth it? If you prioritize long battery life, a comfortable fit, and solid sound quality without breaking the bank, these earbuds are an excellent choice. They won't replace high-end models with active noise cancellation or wireless charging, but for everyday listening, workouts, or calls, they deliver impressive value. And right now, they're even sweeter on sale. Grab them before the deal runs out. If you're looking for affordability without compromise, these are an easy recommendation. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Sanag Z60S Open-Ear Headphone. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.